Welcome to this meditation for mindfulness of speech and balancing the throat chakra. Sit comfortably in a quiet place where you can be free from distractions. Sit up tall by comfortably grounding your hips and then lengthening your spine. Allow spaciousness in your chest by slightly shifting your shoulders down and back. Let your arms relax with your palms resting easily in your lap. Breathe quietly in and out through your nose with your eyes closed. Notice your breath. Take a moment to settle in as you feel the breath moving from your nostrils up towards the crown of your head, and then down past your throat, past your chest, and down into your belly. Maintain an easy and relaxed breath. Now draw awareness to your throat. Visualize a warm and glowing blue light at the throat chakra. The throat chakra is responsible for communication, creativity, and self-expression. Picture a blue light here as alive, pulsing and vibrating. A blue orb of energy, or a horizontal disc made of light. As it is near the end of the color spectrum, this blue color allows for the calmness of the mind and the slowing down of racing thoughts. An open and balanced throat chakra leads to increased creativity and the ability to speak eloquently and communicate effectively. The importance of effective communication is a determinant of all long-lasting relationships. The effects that an open and balanced throat chakra have on the body include a resonant voice, healthy thyroid gland, clear communication, listening ability, good oral health, sensitivity to other people's feelings, intuition, a sense of purity, living in truth, and increased creativity. Hold awareness in this area of your throat now, as you make your way through the following commitments and contemplations. Begin by silently saying to yourself, I commit to always telling the truth. Contemplate what that means to you, all the while aware of sensations in your body and in the throat. Notice what arises as you promise to be truthful. Notice if there's resistance or tightness in the body, if there's any closing off. And notice too if there's a feeling of lightness, opening, and spaciousness. I commit to always telling the truth. blocked throat chakra can lead to excessive shyness and the inability to communicate or express oneself adequately. This in turn may lead to the feeling of being misunderstood, lonely, restless, anxious, or depressed. An underactive throat chakra can express itself as extreme shyness, restlessness, anxiety, an introverted nature, hearing loss, hypothyroidism, depression, frustration, a lack of energy, worry, fear of speaking, lack of creativity, insecurity, and detachment. So let's bring more balance into the throat chakra. Now say silently to yourself, I commit to using my words to bring people together, and I will refrain from divisive speech. Contemplate what that means to you, what it means to speak in ways that connect rather than divide. Notice the vibration of energy at your throat, and notice any sensation that arises in your body. Stay free from any stories related to this commitment, and free from judging yourself or others. Just notice what happens when you say, I commit to refraining from divisive speech. I will use my words to bring people together. And silently say to yourself now, I commit to speaking kindly and gently, never yelling or using my words to hurt others. Contemplate what that means to you as you deepen your awareness of the blue light at your throat. Reflect upon your tone of voice, the volume of your voice, the tempo of your voice, and notice what arises in your body as you say silently, I commit to speaking gently, never using my words to hurt myself or others. Due to its direct role in speech and communication, an overactive throat chakra may lead to excessive talking and gossiping, unbalanced spiritual energy, and even physical manifestations like throat and neck pain. A person with an overactive throat chakra may see it expressed as excessive talking or a lack of control over one's speech, an inability to listen to others, lying and the inability to keep secrets, laryngitis, hyperthyroidism, a stiff neck, being verbally abusive, restlessness, and the inability to live an authentic life. So let's create more balance now. Say silently to yourself, I commit to only speaking when necessary, and I will refrain from idle chatter. Contemplate what this means to you. In what ways do you speak unnecessarily? In what ways do you speak simply to fill silence, to avoid something, or to serve your ego? Hold awareness of the body as a whole, and especially the throat chakra, as you contemplate this commitment. I will speak meaningfully, and I will avoid useless speech. The first step to balancing the throat chakra is to acknowledge that there is something wrong with one's ability to express oneself adequately through speech and to communicate effectively. Breaking the habits which lead to having an unbalanced throat chakra can be difficult. However, old habits can be broken and replaced by new ones through the use of positive affirmations. Repeat the following affirmations out loud or in your mind. I am able to state my needs clearly. I am a compassionate and active listener. I am able to find the words I need. My voice is heard. My truth is love. My thoughts are important. My feelings matter. I open myself up for creativity and passion to flow through me. I embrace change and make the best of my future. And now feel back into the area of your throat, the orb or disc of blue light. Feel its warmth, its aliveness, its energy. See it pulsing and vibrating with every cycle of breath or with every heartbeat. Feel back into the breath itself. Watch, feel, notice the breath as it comes in through your nose, as it moves up toward the crown of your head, down past your throat, into your chest, and into your belly. Let the area of your throat feel spacious, unobstructed, alive and vibrant. Notice how smoothly the breath flows up and down past this space. Rest in this spaciousness for as long as you'd like before you close this meditation. Remember your commitments. and make a promise to carry those commitments and your mindfulness of speech into the rest of your day. As you feel ready, slowly blinking your eyes open and rejoin the space around you.